Nice doggy. Nice doggy.
Hey, Miley.
What's up?
They call the police.
I'm out of here, 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 I'm out of here. Okay, you gotta look good for this picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Run! It's a stampede!
Archie, do you love me? Archie, do you love Georgie? I didn't think so.
Come on, Trooper, let's go outside. Or stay there and pee in the house. You're bigger than me.
I don't want to walk into a situation where all of a sudden they're ambushed when they're trying to help out.
Anybody hungry? Anybody sleepy? Anybody highly overweight?
I'm going to eat you.
We said we were going to do it. No, I said we would do free love and Fury. I didn't say let's do it.
Nice doggy. I like it.
Is this what you want? I'm gonna eat it.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Hey, you guys hungry?
Hey, Fluffy. I'm gonna eat all your treats.